Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're diving into a new feature in Google Chrome that allows you to manage Clipboard permissions more effectively. This update is essential for enhancing your browsing experience while ensuring your privacy. Let's get started with the steps to make sites ask for Clipboard permission on your PC. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Once the browser is up and running, navigate to the site you want to modify. This could be any website where you'd like to control Clipboard access. Next, look at the web address bar at the top of your browser. You'll see a small lock icon or an information icon next to the URL. Click on this icon to view site information. This action will open a drop-down menu that provides details about the website's security and permissions. Now, find and click on Site Settings from this menu. This section allows you to customize various permissions for the site you're visiting. Once you're in Site Settings, scroll down until you see the option labeled Automatic Downloads. Next, right next to Automatic Downloads, you will find a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Ask. By doing this, you are instructing Chrome to prompt you whenever a website attempts to access your Clipboard. This feature is particularly useful as it gives you control over what sites can do with your Clipboard data. In summary, these steps will ensure that sites must request permission before accessing your Clipboard, enhancing both your security and privacy while browsing. Remember, managing these permissions is crucial in today's digital environment where privacy concerns are paramount. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your online experience. Thank you for watching.